Imagine an AI that is so intelligent that it can organize your computer, open files, type emails, and browse websites without your assistance. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? The future has here, though. Claude AI from Anthropic has recently made a significant advancement. It can now operate your PC. We're delving deeply into what this implies, how it operates, and why it might permanently alter the way we work today. You don't want to miss this, so stay tuned. Number 8. Claude can physically interact with your PC. Claude's capacity to interact with your computer like a human being is its most astounding feature. The days of AI being merely a passive assistant that could produce text or respond to inquiries are long gone. Claude can actually traverse your desktop environment, open files, click buttons, move your mouse, and input stuff. Imagine instructing it to organize my files and seeing it carry out the operation exactly as you would. Claude truly understands your command and acts on it intelligently, adjusting if something unexpected comes on the screen. This is not a strict script or a pre-programmed macro. For example, Claude can react effectively instead of failing or halting mid-action when a pop-up stops a task. This feature turns Claude from a basic chatbot into a self-sufficient digital worker that can carry out actual tasks while you concentrate on more important tasks. The ramifications are enormous. Claude can handle tedious digital jobs properly and efficiently, saving you from having to do them by hand. Number 7. Multi-step task mastery. Claude doesn't just execute simple single commands, it can manage complex multi-step workflows. This is what sets it apart from traditional automation tools. For example, you could ask Claude to organize your downloads folder by file type, then move certain files into specific directories, compress others, and even create a spreadsheet summarizing the folder contents. It can handle sequential logic, make decisions mid-task, and follow instructions that involve multiple actions. This is a huge leap in AI autonomy, because most AI tools are linear. They only do what you explicitly tell them, step by step. Claude's ability to plan and execute a series of connected actions means it can replace tedious workflows that would normally take humans hours. Businesses, students, content creators, and knowledge workers can benefit immediately, as tasks that once required careful oversight can now be offloaded entirely to an AI capable of intelligent decision-making. Number 6. Browser and web automation. Another fascinating dimension of Claude's abilities lies in browser automation. Through the Chrome agent and similar integrations, Claude can navigate websites, fill forms, log into accounts, scrape information, and interact with web-based applications. Imagine a digital assistant that can complete online tasks for you automatically, from booking appointments, submitting forms, or even browsing job postings and compiling summaries. Claude can do it all. Unlike previous AI models that were restricted to text input, Claude can actually understand the context of web pages, read content, identify buttons or links, and perform logical actions based on your instructions. This opens up entirely new avenues for productivity. For instance, a marketer could instruct Claude to gather competitive research across multiple sites, extract key metrics, and compile them into a report. The AI not only speeds up repetitive tasks, but also reduces the risk of human error when navigating complex web environments. Number 5. Developer and everyday user-friendly. Initially, Claude's computer control capabilities were accessible only to developers via beta APIs, meaning you had to understand coding or complex integration methods. However, with the introduction of Claude Cowork, Anthropic has made these features available to everyday users. This democratization means that anyone can take advantage of autonomous AI regardless of technical background. You simply provide instructions in plain language, and Claude figures out the steps needed to execute them. This opens a wide range of possibilities. A student can have Claude organize research files and summarize key documents. A small business owner can automate invoice management, and an office worker can streamline repetitive reporting tasks. By removing the barrier of coding expertise, Claude empowers anyone to harness AI's productivity potential, making advanced digital assistants accessible to millions. Number 4. Advanced AI brain behind it. What makes Claude truly special is the advanced AI model behind it. Powered by Claude Sonnet 4.5 and Opus 4.5, this AI isn't just following commands blindly. It can understand context, predict outcomes, and adapt to unforeseen scenarios. For example, if you instruct Claude to organize files but the folder structure is different from what it expects, it can intelligently adjust its actions rather than failing. This predictive, adaptive capability is a significant departure from traditional automation software. The AI learns from experience, interprets instructions logically, and executes tasks with a degree of reasoning previously reserved for human assistance. In essence, Claude is not just a tool, it's a thinking digital partner capable of analyzing the environment and taking appropriate actions without constant supervision. Number 3. Productivity game changer. The potential impact of Claude on productivity cannot be overstated. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, Claude frees up hours of human labor every day. Whether it's sorting emails, managing spreadsheets, compiling reports, or organizing files, Claude can take care of these time-consuming chores quickly and accurately. Businesses can leverage this to optimize workflows, reduce human error, and allow employees to focus on creative or strategic tasks instead of repetitive digital work. Even individuals benefit massively. Students, freelancers, and content creators can delegate tedious tasks to Claude, effectively multiplying their efficiency. In a world where time is a critical resource, having an AI assistant that can perform multi-step tasks autonomously represents a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. Number 2. Accessibility and inclusivity. One of the most inspiring aspects of Claude's computer control feature is its potential to improve accessibility and inclusivity. People with disabilities, or those who struggle with repetitive or complex computer tasks, can rely on Claude as a digital assistant that executes actions autonomously. For instance, someone with limited mobility can instruct Claude to navigate applications, type documents, or organize files, eliminating barriers that would otherwise require manual intervention. Beyond disability, this also benefits anyone who feels overwhelmed by digital tasks. By empowering users to delegate work to AI, Claude ensures that productivity and access to technology are not limited by physical or cognitive constraints, making technology more equitable and inclusive. Number 1. Safety and beta limitations. While Claude's capabilities are revolutionary, it's important to recognize that this technology is still in beta. The AI can occasionally make mistakes, especially when performing highly complex tasks or dealing with sensitive data. Security is also a key concern. Granting an AI access to your computer or files requires careful consideration to avoid unintended consequences. Anthropic recommends starting with low-risk automation tasks while the technology matures. Nevertheless, even in its current beta form, Claude demonstrates the tremendous potential of autonomous AI agents, hinting at a future where human-AI collaboration transforms every aspect of work and personal computing. And that's a wrap on Claude the AI that can literally take control of your computer. Can you imagine having a personal digital assistant that does all your tedious tasks while you sit back and focus on what really matters? The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. If you're as blown away as I am, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next mind-blowing AI update. And I want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI to control your computer? Comment below and let's get the conversation started. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here.